Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to edit a pie chart in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, pie chart is edited. Then you can see. Now click for the pie chart and click for the link chart option. Click for the open source option. Then waiting. Now show the is pie chart is option is Bangladesh, India, USA and UK and people hot and temperate. This show is pie chart is waiting. Now pie chart is editing. Then show the is pie chart is purpose. Then pie chart is click and now click for the trader option and click for the edit option. Then waiting. Now select Bangladesh. Now click for the customize option and click for the chart style option and click for the background color. Now click for the chart border color. Now click for the innoted documents option. Now click for the upgrade option. That's okay. Then you show the edited pie chart in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.